Welcome to Bobby Joe's. Bobby Joe, you got something to say? She said no. You got something to say? On today's video, I will be showing you some items I got at the Lodge warehouse sale. I went to Lodge Factory on November 9th for the warehouse sale. That's in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, for those of you that are not familiar with Lodge. It's about 30 miles from Chattanooga, and between me and my mom, we came out with a lot of great cast iron items for some excellent prices. I should have done a video after we were done shopping of everything that we bought together, but I didn't think about it at the time. She lives way down in Georgia, so it isn't like I can just run over to her house and do a quick video. I got the Lodge mini cake pan, which I had my eye on for quite some time, and I got some Blacklock skillets. Most were under $20, so I got a few of those as gifts and also for this giveaway. Now, Blacklock was the original name of Lodge. It was called Blacklock Foundry. In 1910, the factory burned down, and that's when they rebuilt it, and they called the business Lodge Manufacturing Company. In 2019, Lodge launched the Blacklock collection, and Blacklock skillets are 25% lighter than Lodge skillets, and they've also been triple seasoned. Each piece of Blacklock cookware is linked to a date in Lodge history, as you can see here. You can go on their website. It will tell you all about the skillet and what piece of Lodge history that the skillet is linked to. So, for instance, this 7-inch skillet, the 63 on the back, represents the year 1863. That's when Joseph Lodge left home to train as a machinist at Pool's Machine Shop in Wilmington, Delaware. He was only 15 years old. This skillet will be a part of the giveaway, and I paid $14 for this skillet. All right, and so like the 96 on the back of this 10 1/4 inch skillet is 1896, the year that Blacklock Foundry came into existence. And back then they made cast iron stoves, sad irons, tea kettles, kitchen sinks. I'm trying to think what else they made. But this skillet will also be a part of the giveaway. I paid only $15 for this skillet. The 12-inch, the 39, is a reminder of the end of the Great Depression in 1939. Lodge survived the Great Depression because Joseph's son Richard noticed skillets weren't selling, but people were still buying door stops. So they increased production of door stops and fireplace irons, and the fireplace irons were in the shape of animals, and that's what kept the business going through the Great Depression. Now, I'm going to be keeping this skillet, so sorry, this is not going to be part of the giveaway. I paid $21 for this skillet. I got a few of these to give as gifts to the family for Christmas. Anyway, anytime you get a piece of Blacklock skillet, be sure to check the number on the back and go to their website and see what part of history it commemorates. Okay, on to the next. So an employee at Lodge told me these 3.5-inch mini egghead egg face skillets are a limited edition collectible cookware. The eyes are eggs and the smile is bacon. And I'm going to be giving these away. Then we have this guitar-shaped skillet. A Lodge skillet made in Tennessee with Cracker Barrel on the back, which is also a Tennessee company. And a guitar makes you think of Nashville, so this skillet has Tennessee written all over it. I'm going to be giving these away. Now here's my mini cake pan that I found, and I've been wanting a mini cake pan for a while. This was $21. I was hoping to find a fluted cake pan in the warehouse sale, but they didn't have that. They do have those in the factory store, but I really wanted to find a better deal on them. But I'm going to keep coming back and checking the factory seconds until I find one, or they have a really good sale on them, and then I'll buy one. I also got this 10 1/4 inch griddle for $10, and these are just additional Blacklocks that I got to give away for Christmas gifts. Okay, so the stuff my mom got that I do not have any pictures or videos of, my mom got a 14-inch wok for $25, a 15-inch skillet for $22, a chicken fryer for $15. We got a couple of wooden handle Lodge scrub brushes for $2 each. She got some silicone trivets. They were 50 cents each. These quilted handle covers were 50 cents each. We got quite a few 50-cent items. Altogether, we got 28 items. We spent $217 with tax. Oh, also got my dad a hat. I got my dad a hat with a picture of a frying pan and the egg on the front of it for driving us. My dad was our chauffeur. So for this warehouse sale, they sold tickets, and I wasn't sure about doing it because I didn't see the reason in buying a ticket to save money, because I'm like, how are you saving money if you're spending money just to get in? But Steve talked me into it. And I'm glad he did because the savings was definitely worth it. They sold the tickets, so they had a limited number of people in each time slot, so it wasn't like super, super crowded. It was still crazy. It was like Black Friday shopping inside a cast iron warehouse, but I'm glad I went. I think they should do it in a bigger warehouse next time because everyone had a shopping cart and it was like bumper buggies in there sometimes. Okay, so the giveaway. I will be doing 4 giveaways. The first giveaway will have 2 winners, and these are the 2 items I'm giving away. I will post details about the giveaway on Friday so you can find out how to enter and the time frame. I thought about doing a live, but everyone has different schedules with work and family life, and I didn't want anyone to be left out, so this is the way we're going to do it. So I will probably be drawing or doing something like that. If you aren't subscribed, subscribe to my channel and click on that bell to get notifications when my videos pop up. That way you won't miss the video I post giving the giveaway details. Then I will be giving away this skillet to 1 lucky winner. And then the last giveaway will be this skillet to 1 lucky winner. I did a smart hummingbird feeder giveaway a few weeks ago for my bird lovers for my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. And this is just for those of you that like the cooking side of my channel. This is another 5,000 subscriber giveaway to show you I appreciate you subscribing to my channel. So stay tuned Friday for more details. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope y'all have a very blessed week.